All right, guys, I'm here now with Chef Jason. I'm one of the lucky ones who's getting to hang out in the kitchen of Finn's restaurant, and we're making the plank salmon, which I've tried. It was incredible, and also I hear it's probably the most popular dish on the menu.
It is. It is one of our most popular dishes.
Yeah?
I'm gonna show you how to put it together.
Okay, what can I do? I want to help.
All right, so this is my least favorite herb to peel, but I'd say one of the best tasting. This is thyme, and no pun intended. Thyme takes time to peel. So we're gonna start with the tip right here, and we're just gonna pull back and get all those leaves off of there. Okay?
That sounds like something I can do.
Yeah. Start from the top and just peel it back.
Yeah, I'm definitely killing this right now.
Luckily, we don't need too much. That should actually be enough for us right there.
All right.
Let's let's check your knife skills. We're just gonna chop that. Let's see if she's got it.
Can I just like do this?
Yeah, there you go. That's the best way, ladies and gentlemen. We want to make sure that we keep our fingers away from the knife, and you can just drop it right in here.
There we go.
Awesome. So just a few simple ingredients. We've got some whole grain mustard.
Okay.
We're gonna start there.
Yum.
We've got some Dijon mustard. We've got some fresh chopped garlic, and then we're gonna put some honey in there.
A little sweet factor.
And this is gonna be the last and final piece is some soy sauce.
There's our salty.
Yep. We're just gonna give that a quick stir.
Oh yeah.
All right. So next, we're actually gonna come over here, and we're gonna burn off our cedar plank. This is what's gonna give it that nice smoky flavor.
Oh.
So we're just gonna let that get a little char. You'd want to soak the plank at least for maybe 24 hours before you actually put it on there.
And you're soaking it in water?
Yeah, just soak it in water.
Easy.
So we've got some fire now. We've got some smoke. Check that out. It smells good. So the next step, we're actually gonna take that glaze that we just made over there. You mind going and grab that for me?
Yeah.
Awesome. So you could actually just spread that on there generously as much as you want.
As much as I want?
Yeah.
I feel like you could never have too much sauce.
Exactly.
Oh yes. How much do you typically put on there? More than that? Oh,
no, I put like probably one more spoonful on there. There you go. Perfect.
Man.
Awesome. And then we're gonna go right into the oven with this. So right now I have my oven set at 425. We're gonna go for about 10 minutes in there, okay?
All right.
So while that's going too, guys, we could actually, we're gonna take, this is one of my favorites, is a broccolini. So what I did was I just took some olive oil,
okay,
some garlic, and salt and pepper. That's it.
Easy. I love like
Easy.
the very few ingredients.
Yeah.
You know, recipes that come out amazing.
And we're gonna roast that at the same time too. And then one of our like signature sides is actually our scalloped potatoes.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're gonna come over here and we're gonna build those scalloped potatoes.
It's carbs, everybody.
Yeah,
this is
so
my favorite.
scalloped potatoes, we actually have, the main ingredients are gonna be some garlic, onions, some mozzarella cheese and cream. So they're spot on.
Speaking my language.
And then before we actually sell it,
more cheese?
yeah, you wanna go ahead and put some cheese on there, some mozzarella cheese?
I love cheese so much.
Yeah, perfect. Exact. That's
enough?
Yep. And then we're gonna take some breadcrumbs and put it on there too. And that's gonna make it nice and crunchy on the top. Yeah.
All the textures.
Yep. And we'll go ahead and put that in the oven too. So I know you can smell that right now.
Yeah, is it ready yet?
Yeah, it's ready to go.
All right. Oh my gosh, the bubbles on the cheese.
Yeah. So look at that bubbling goodness.
Oh my gosh.
And there you have it.
This cedar plank salmon, scalloped potatoes, and garlic broccolini.
There it is.
And there you have it, folks. Only at Finn's restaurant. Jason, thank you.
You're welcome. My pleasure. Thank you all.